Just bought more fuel, heading out. Forecast looking good for today, even though it doesn't really look like it, but light winds and the swell has dropped right down to a metre compared to 4 metres the other day.
Give me the drums, it's easier, and Sam can use the funnel.
Just come out of the head and it looks like it's calm enough to head out. Bloody GoPro never does it justice though.
Nah, same with the video camera.
See the blue line water?
Yeah.
Pass.
That's where we've got to get to, eh?
Yeah. The water's cleaned up, the sun's coming out.
We just hooked onto something massive.
Boys have got something big.
It got off and the reel just screamed, and now Fred's on my big game rod.
Strap them in. Boys are on, hooked on again. Just keeping the boat head on into the waves.
We got a 1.5 metre shark.
Dagger.
Get out here, eh?
Elevation of the seas, this is White Stavey. We're just south of Thompson's, watching you guys come in and requesting a weather forecast for today. Over.
Yeah, the forecast seems to be a bit south-southerly, 20 knots gusting at the most. There is some bad weather coming further down the week, but at this stage that's about all you're going to get, and swells 3 metres.
Copy, over and out, thank you. Jesus. Southeasterly is 20 knots.
That's not good.
Nah, it flattens off this afternoon. I reckon we bloody give it one more shot and do the loop.
Sounds good. We can go inside the sound and go for a jig or something as well, so yeah, we'll swim around now.
It's quite rough out here, so we're going to come back into the heads and recoup, redo all the lines, have a wee calm down session before we punch out again. We're coming up to the blue line, mixing with the brown water from the sound. Super blue this water, probably 15-20 metres fizz.
See Sam just go down, drop down the back of the wave and just
He's only just there, eh?
I reckon we're going to be in for afternoon, eh? Is that all the ice we got? Yeah, I'm on. There we go.
Yeah!
Tyre's going to get spilled.
Smoke tire.
Oh yeah, not bad. Oh, well done.
Well done.
Nice Cherokee. Good landing.
Ow, man.
Cherokee.
Slow mo that one, Cody.
Deficit disorder, running stuck in bed at night, performing at the nursing home night. Everyone talks like they know me.
No, you're on about now, Ed.
Feels quite decent on that rod. Oh, here we go. Starting to wake up now.
Oh, colour.
Is it?
Yeah, seen it. There it is.
Oh, oh,
That's like 2.
oh.
That's big coats.
Figure out.
Here he goes. Yeah, boy!
Got any hookups yet?
Tell
Hey, on!
That's a good fish.
That thing just keeps running, mate. We've headed up to the boat and runs. Back up, runs.
Come on, mate. You can do it. You just got to go again, eh?
Yeah, boy. Hey!
Oh, 60 kilos. It's another big one. Another big fatty.
Film him underwater. After one coming off on piece of
Hold on.
Awesome.
Cool.
Not bad, good sword.
I got wings.
One getting with that.
We're coming home onto a rainbow. Just been out there, pretty far out to sea, it's been quite rough.
Okay, a bit of reason here. Yeah.
Oh, here it comes. Holy Jesus. Oh, there, my God. Quick. Oh, I've never seen anything like it, mate. That was a massive cray that got out. Watch your face,